Our story began in 1758, when Richard Cox was appointed as an army agent. His job was to manage the economics of all the army regiments under a senior officer. Cox and Company flourished through the centuries. The name became one everyone could trust. Cox and Company went on to set up a bank, handle finances, insurance, and logistics. We set up offices in important places around the world. We helped explorers discover the world. We even found our place in the popular culture of today. While Cox and Company was growing, a publisher named Henry S. King purchased 25% of a soon-to-be historic publishing company called Smith, Elder and Company. They went on to publish books by people that changed the way we look at words and the world. Henry S. King and Company even ran a successful banking and shipping business. It was through a series of serendipitous events that two powerful legacies merged to form Cox and Kings in 1922.